Hello viewers and welcome back. Have you ever wondered on how to make passive income through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing? Making passive income with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing has become an attractive option for writers, entrepreneurs, and creatives worldwide. KDP provides a platform to self-publish and sell ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcover books directly on Amazon, allowing you to earn royalties without needing an established publisher. In this guide, we will explore practical steps and strategies to build a profitable passive income stream with Amazon KDP. First, you will need to understand Amazon KDP and the passive income model. Amazon KDP is a self-publishing platform that allows you to publish digital and print-on-demand books. Unlike traditional publishing, KDP gives authors complete control over their book's content, the pricing, and the royalty rate. Passive income on KDP comes from the initial efforts like writing, formatting, and marketing the books. And once published, readers can purchase your book and you can earn royalties each time with minimal ongoing involvement. And successful KDP books can continue to generate income for months and or even years to come. Next will be for you to choose a profitable niche. Finding the right niche is the foundation for generating consistent sales. A well-chosen niche can reduce competition and help you target readers specifically interested in your book's topic. You will also need to research high demand with low competition niches. Use tools like Amazon search bars, Publishers Rocket, or KD Spy to analyze potential niches that are profitable. You can also look for topics with high sales but relatively few books available. Examples of profitable niches are self-help, children's book, personal finance, cooking, and puzzle or activity books also often perform well on Amazon KDP. The key is to find a topic that resonates with a specific audience addressing a need or solving a problem. And in order to generate sales, creating high quality content is very, very crucial. Quality is essential for success on Amazon KDP. A well-written, well-researched books build credibility and encourage positive reviews, which attracts more readers. And proper editing and formatting of books is something you must take very seriously in order to thrive as a self-published author on Amazon. Even a great manuscript needs refining. If budget allows, consider hiring a professional editor and a book formatter. Or for anyone on a tight budget, tools like Grammarly and formatting tools like Actors or Volume can also be of help. Book covers are crucial for attracting buyers on Amazon. A professional-looking cover instantly communicates value and helps your book to stand out. You can also utilize Canva, Adobe, or freelance designers on Fiverr or Upwork to create your book designs. One of the best ways to achieve passive income with Amazon KDP is by building a catalog of books. More books means more potential sales and royalties. Publishing books with a similar niche or theme helps build a following. Readers who enjoy one book are more likely to buy another from the same author, creating a backlist that continually generates income. One other way to generate passive income through publishing is to promote your books beyond Amazon. While Amazon provides a vast audience, expanding your promotion to other platforms can increase sales and royalties. You can also share your book on social media, start a blog, or create a YouTube channel around your book's topic. Engaging content attracts a wider audience and builds interest in your book. If you're building a brand, an email list is also invaluable. You can send updates about new releases, promotions, or relevant blog posts to keep your readers engaged at every point in time. Another way to generate passive income with Amazon KDP is by expanding your book into multiple formats to generate more sales and royalty payments. Amazon KDP allows you to publish ebooks, paperbacks, and hardcover books. And by offering both digital and print versions, you appeal to a broader audience. Some readers prefer ebooks, while others may want a physical copy for their bookshelf. Also consider audiobooks. Audiobooks are now a growing segment in publishing. Services like Amazon ACS allows you to create audiobook and reach new audiences on Audible. You can also narrate your book by yourself, or you can hire a narrator, and once it is live, it becomes another source of passive income. Also utilize Amazon KDP Select for exclusive benefits. By enrolling in Amazon KDP Select, Your ebooks become exclusive to Amazon, which unlocks benefits like Kindle Unlimited and promotional opportunities. In Kindle Unlimited, readers can borrow your book and you earn royalties based on the number of pages that was read. With Kindle Unlimited, it is also popular with avid readers and can significantly increase your book's reach and earnings. KDP Select offers tools like free promotions and Kindle countdown deals, allowing you to run a price promotion that can boost sales and rankings, particularly useful during peak seasons like holidays. Success on KDP requires consistent learning and adaptation. Regularly reviewing your book's performance metrics help identify what is working and what needs improvement. Also track your monthly sales, royalties, and pages read in your Kindle Unlimited. If sales drop, investigate potential causes such as competition, seasonality, or ads, and then adjust your strategy accordingly. You can also experiment with pricing, keywords, and marketing strategies to see what brings the best results. Testing small changes over time leads to a well-organized approach to maximize passive income. And by applying these strategies consistently, you can build a sustainable source of passive income on Amazon KDP. Each step from niche research to promotion contributes to the book's long-term success, allowing you to enjoy passive royalties while focusing on new projects or expanding on publishing portfolios. With patience, persistence, and strategic planning, you can turn Amazon KDP into a powerful passive income stream. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope these tips inspire you to build passive income with Amazon. Are you ready to dive deep? Then check out my 12-part video series on the channel for a step-by-step guide to getting started. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more KDP insights. I look forward to catching up with you guys on my next video.